Enter. You've come to battle me once again, I see. Did you bring payment? Good. Please take seat. Sufficient. Tell me, what game would you like to play? 5-card draw. One hand. 5-card draw. Okay. You, remember what happened the last time we played this game? That's not gonna happen this time. Why do you do it, Donovan? Why do you keep coming back? You know the outcome is going to be the same as it has been for the last 34,000 times. I win. You lose. It's inevitable. You can't win all the time, Vlad. Sometimes you gotta lose. Okay. I think today's my lucky day. I read it in a horoscope. Horoscope. I can see you're desperate. And I know why. You're just a lonely piece of crap with nothing good going for him. He'll believe anything he reads in front of him. Enough of the insults, Vlad. I'll take 2. All right. Two it is. I will take 1. All right, Vlad. What do you got? No. By all means. You go first. Okay. I got a full house. Queens over kings. That is a really good hand. You should be proud. That is a really good hand. But not as good as this. Quad aces with a 4. I was really hoping to get the 5th ace. I can't believe it. Oh. See you next time. It gets him every time. Donovan? Well, that was quick. You even changed your shirt mighty fast. What, are you trying to look like me? Have a seat. This time it will cost you a lot more, but we can wait for after. What game would you like to play this time? Who's Donovan? Who's Donovan? Well, last I checked, you were. This isn't what it looks like. I'm not Donovan. You've officially lost your mind. Okay, not Donovan. What game shall we play?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, sounds good to me. Best of three. Ah! Ah! No, 4 more times. Ah! Ah! No! No! I have never been defeated in my entire life by any mortal man. So if you're not Donovan, then who the hell are you?
I don't have a name. But if you want, you can call me the clone of Spades.